Welcome to Whiton Hall. This is a shared living experience just one block from the Ithaca Commons. Every tenant has their own lockable room, and there are shared bathrooms and kitchens on each floor. We're here today to see apartment 301, a room on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, you'll notice the intercom on your right, a unique feature of our apartments that lets you buzz your friends up. Continuing on, you'll see the mini refrigerator and microwave. Every room in Whiton Hall has 5 pieces of furniture, a full-size bed, a desk and desk chair, a bookshelf, and a dresser, which in this room has been placed into the closet to give you more floor space. Room 301 has 3 windows facing east with a great view overlooking Aurora Street. Rent for Whiton Hall includes all utilities: heat, water, trash and recycling, electricity, even the internet. Thank you for coming on a tour of Whiton Hall 301. Call us today for availability.